Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James and today I'm going to be showing you what I would do with this space. Okay guys, so the initial vibe that I wanted to go with this space was luxurious. That's what me and my client discussed. That's what was all over our Pinterest boards, was luxury, was upholstered headboards and all this beautiful luxurious stuff. So we went to Easy Living and we seen this bed. It's a dusty pink, blush pink bed, like it's upholstered, it's beautiful, and it was on sale as well. So bonus. So we looked at that and that was one of my client gravitated towards the most. So I designed the whole space around that bed. Yes, I know. You can do that. It's pretty easy. So then my whole vibe of the space changed. So I was kind of wanted to balance and play off of the headboard and the bed frame. So I kind of wanted to go mid-century modern with a luxury twist. So that was my vibe for the space. So it's pretty soft, it's grown up, it's sophisticated, and all the good stuff. And the colour scheme for the space then was dusty pink, grey, gold, well like rose gold, and white, because you know the ceilings are white, so it has to be included in the colour scheme. No, but obviously the most important thing in a bedroom is the bed. So the bed frame, as I said, is from Easy Living. It's beautiful, it's dusty pink, it's blush pink, it's gorgeous. But I accessorized it with white sheets because that was what my client wanted. It was white sheets, simple, clean, beautiful, timeless. White sheets are timeless. You can have them for years. So white sheets, and then I seen these beautiful beautiful cushions on H&M. They're, I don't even know how to describe them. They're just so, like, they fit the vibe that I wanted to create so perfectly that like I'd nearly buy them for myself because I love them so much. Like, I just think the pattern on them is so interesting, and oh god, it's like they're beautiful. Like I can't even describe them. Like I can't, like they're just that beautiful. For the space, like they're so beautiful. So I'd have them. They're 50 by 50. They're 50 by 50 square. So they're nice big cushions, the same size as the ones I put into my apartment transformation video. If you want to go see that, it'll be up here somewhere. That kind of size, which is perfect size for like a bed. Yeah, then either side of the bed I'd have these two mid-century end tables and two lamps. The lamps are a gold base, kind of like that kind of a leg on them, a gold base, and then a white lampshade, and simple, easy, you know, nice. Then obviously we'd have a beautiful chandelier or pendant light hanging from the ceiling. Now you can have anything too big because I think it would just take over, and I don't want anything fighting with the bed frame. I want that to be like the kind of focal point and feature of the space, because after all it is a bed room, so the bed is pretty important, you know. So I seen this light, okay, the light that I have on my concept board. Now it wouldn't be the exact light I put in because it would be too long. This you'd probably put in, like, you know, in a stairway or an entrance hall or something, but it would be that kind of vibe with them white globes. I just think they're so beautiful, and they'd complement the headboard just like perfectly. So I couldn't find where you could find, you know, that kind of light. So that's just my, you know, I put that in there just to kind of give you guys an idea of what I was thinking, you know. So that's what I put as the ceiling light. Then I'd also put in this beautiful rug, just add in an extra pop of colour, you know. It has the dusty pink in it, it has the greens, the blues, the, you know, the colour scheme of the space in it, but also has this kind of burnt orange kind of colour in it, which I really like. I think it really complements the space. And yeah, I put that as the rug. Also in this space, because the roof line is very interesting and it's kind of asymmetrical in a way, it kind of goes up at an angle, then it's flat at the top. I wanted to create like a kind of level in the space, if that makes any sense. I wanted to put like a paneling, like, so the roof arcs like this, and then it comes down and meets the wall like at an angle like that. So where the straight wall meets that kind of that part of the wall, I'd put the paneling on along that length, the height, just so it kind of creates that kind of eye line that there's a level in the space. I don't know, just kind of makes it feel more grounded, and I feel like I don't know, it just makes it look a bit better, like a lot better, in my opinion. In my opinion, of course. And I painted in a beautiful teal colour because I think teal goes really beautifully with the dusty pink, with the gold, and it's a bit different to the standard navy that people put with blush pink and rose gold and gold. Also in this space where my client done her makeup was underneath, well, in front of the window, which is a good idea, but that wouldn't really fit in to my idea, so I moved it underneath the kind of skylight. It's not as big of an area, but it's still enough like to sit in and have your makeup and do your makeup in the mirror, and then there's also like nice light coming down on like your face, so like it's I think it's way better because like also where the sun goes, like that area gets light more than the other window that the makeup was being done at before, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I put it there and I painted in the same colour as the paneling, just so it all looks very built in and custom and expensive, even though it wouldn't be that expensive. And I'd also have a drawer in it, you know, just for storage, because you can't have enough storage in a space. Anywhere you can hide stuff, just, it's perfect, you know, because you don't want clutter in your bedroom. Your bedroom's your sanctuary, your safe space. It's where you go to relax and unwind, and you don't want clutter because that's not very relaxing, is it? No, it is not. Then I accessorized the space with flowers and some greenery, some plants, and I'd also put in like a kind of full LED mirror on the wall where the door to the walk-in wardrobe is, just so you know you can get some good pictures before you go out and about on your day, and because the background's like really nice, obviously. So yeah, I put that, and it has like kind of same mid-century kind of vibe, but more like, yeah, it fits in with the whole vibe of the space, and I really like it kind of breaks up that wall as well because it's the tallest part of the room. Okay guys, so that's it for what would JMC do. That's what I would do with this space. If you agree with me or you do anything differently, I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions down below. So, you know, do show them down there in the comment section. If you would like me to design your space for you, just email me pictures of your space with measurements and a kind of Pinterest mood board of what your design style is like, so you know I don't go too far off track, and send them to this email down below, and who knows, your space could appear on my channel next. But with that being said guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment and subscribe, and also hit that little notification bell just to be notified when I upload. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!